So if you have tried generating leads for your dental sleep medicine practice through social media marketing or maybe Google ads or some way, one of the biggest troubles that sleep coordinators and practice managers and the people who are actually following up with those people who are requesting a consultation, one of the biggest problems they have is actually getting a hold of those people. They leave 5, 6, 7, 8 voicemails. It seems like the people never call back. I just got off the phone with one of our amazing clients, and I suggested something to him that completely helped him do a 180 in his success rate in scheduling consultations. And here's one thing you have to recognize. People, if they see a phone number on their phone, it's your office calling, if they don't recognize the phone number, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to answer that phone call because they're getting calls for home-based business income opportunities and to extend their car warranty. Pick your scam. Okay, they're getting calls like that all the time, and they're not going to answer a phone call from a phone number they don't recognize. So in our lead management dashboard, we directly from the desktop computer, a sleep coordinator can type up a text message right before calling that person. And here is what we had our client do. We said, hey, this is Dr. So-and-so with so-and-so practice. I'm getting off a phone call here shortly. I will give you a call in a minute. He made 3 phone calls. He scheduled 3 consultations. That's 100% success rate right out of the gates in scheduling those consultations with those leads that we generated who were interested in oral appliance therapy. So I want you to give that a shot. If you're having trouble getting a hold of your leads, getting them scheduled, send out that text message first. Hey, I'm on a phone call. I'm finishing up some things here in the office. I'm going to give you a call in a couple minutes here. Keep it super casual. You are going to see your scheduling rates skyrocket. So I hope this was helpful. If